Hey, what's going on YouTube? Doing a quick unboxing. This is going to be the Kizer Original XL. Just came in the mail from Amazon. All I did was take off the saran wrap. Also picked up another one, Vosteed Raccoon CB. It'll be a separate video. So let's get to it. The Kizer Original XL. Some hardware. Inside you have some paperwork, a warranty, keeping your blade sharp. And you got some pictures here. Background here, I just got some of my favorite knives we'll talk about in a minute. Got the screws. Let's go ahead and bust this open. So the micarta handle feels really well. See that the blade is right out of the box is very crooked. That would be against the handle on the left, not centered well at all. Here you've got the Buck Ranger 110, and you can see that that is nice and center. You got some gap on the left and the right, and the Kizer is basically connected to the handle. So this is a button lock knife. Wow, that's a great flick for the first go at it. Got a little bit of a tingy like aluminum can, kind of rattly. There's a little, little noise there, but it's a very light knife, so should be expected. Let's take a look at that blade. So this looks pretty good. It's a thin blade, more of a slicer, and that will be Kizer number 1001, original green XL. That is going to be in 154 cm. Yeah, so the handle is, I would say the handle is just about perfect. I mean, it's a little thin. If you squeeze it hard, you can kind of like, you can kind of collapse the handle a little bit. And it's not really a, it's an EDC knife. I mean, I'm mainly going to use it for opening up Amazon packages and stuff like that. I mean, I wouldn't really want to count on this knife for a self-defense situation or anything like that, but opening an Amazon package, it will do good. Some cardboard boxes, general tasks at work. I guess let me know in the comments what you think. Should I just send this back and get another one? No big deal. It was on sale for like $60, maybe $65. So, for the original price, I do think that it should be centered. All the ones I've seen online were centered. So, I've seen a lot of guys pushing these on YouTube, and You know, you don't know if they actually use them or they're getting the knives for free and they're just promoting them. You know, one guy was saying he's been carrying his for several weeks, and the knife didn't have one scratch on it. Doesn't look like it ever cut anything but maybe a little bit of paper. He's telling you how great it is. And now when you actually carry a knife and use a knife, you know, this is what, you know, a used knife looks like. You know, this knife's 6 years old. Still sharp. Here's a used knife. It actually has, you know, marks on it. You can actually tell by paint missing that it's been carried and used. So, that was a quick look at it. I'm going to sleep on it, see if I should just do the return and just send it back. I could drop it off on my way to work and just get a new one. Or if that's no deal, no big deal that it's crooked. I mean, I've never bought a knife for over $25 that wasn't center. Even a $20 knife here, this K-bar, years old. This is still a little bit. I know this one's actually a little crooked, but this one was ran over by my semi truck. Let me know in the comments what you think. Take care.